Bitcoin history, our story of value has been turbulent in understanding Bitcoin. In August 2008, the domain name Bitcoin.org was registered one. Today, at last, domain is voice guard protected, meaning the identity of the person who registered is not public information. In October 2008, a person or group using the name Satoshi Nakamoto announced the cryptography mailing list at Metstown.com. I will be working on a new electronic cash system that fully peer-to-peer with no trusted third party. This non-famous white paper published on Bitcoin org entailed Bitcoin a peer-to-peer electronic cash system would become the managed Carta for how Bitcoin operates today too. On Jan 3, 2009, the first Bitcoin block was mined, Block 0. This is also known as the Genesis block and contains the text. The times 3 Jan 2009 Chancellor or brink of second bailout for banks, perhaps proof that the block was mined on or after that data, and maybe also as relevant political commentary. 3 on Jan 8, 2009, the first version of Bitcoin software was announced of the cryptography mailing list, and on Jan 9, 2009, block I was mined and Bitcoin mining commenced in earnest. Bitcoin rewards are helped every 2 lakh 10,000 blocks. For example, the block rewards was 50 new Bitcoin in 2009 on May 11, 2020. The third halving occurred, bringing the rewards for each block discovered down 6.25 bitcoins. For one Bitcoin is divisible to 8 decimal place, 100 millionths of one Bitcoin, and its smallest unit is referred to as a Satoshi F if necessary, and if the participating miners accept the change, Bitcoin could eventually be made divisible to even more decimal places. Bitcoin as a form of currency is not too complicated to understand. For example, if you own a Bitcoin, you can use your cryptocurrency wallet to send smaller portions of the Bitcoin as payment for goods or services. However, it becomes very complex when you try to understand how it works. Bitcoin blockchain technology. Cryptocurrencies are part of a blockchain, and the network required to power it. A blockchain is a disturbed ledger, a shard database that stores data. Data within the blockchain are secured by an encryption methods. When a transaction takes place on the blockchain, information from the previous block is copied to a new block with the new data encrypted, and the transaction is verified by validators called miners in the network. When a transaction is verified, a new block is opened and a Bitcoin is created and given as a reward to the miners who verified the data within the block. They are then free to use it, hold it, or sell it. Bitcoin. Bitcoin used the SHA-256 hashing algorithm to encrypt the data stored in the blocks on the blockchain. Simply put, transaction data stored in a block is encrypted into 256 Bitcoin hexadecimal number. That number contains all of the transaction data and information linked to the blocks before that block. Data linked between blocks it is what led to the ledger being called a blockchain. Transactions are placed into a queue to be validated by miners within the network. Miners in the Bitcoin blockchain network all attempt to verify the same transaction simultaneously. The mining software and hardware work to solve the nonce of 4-byte number included in the block header that miners are attempting to solve. The block headers is hashed or randomly generated by a miner repeatedly until it meets a target number specified by the blockchain. The the block headers is solved and a new block is created from more transactions to be encrypted and verified. How to mine Bitcoin? A variety of hardware and software can be used to mine Bitcoin. When Bitcoin was first released, it was possible to mine it competitively on a personal computer. However, as it became more popular, more miners joined the network, which lowered the chance of being the one of to solve the hash. You can still use your personal computer as a miner if it has newer hardware, but the chances of solving a hash error inevitably are minuscule. It is because you are It is because you are competing with a network of miners that generate around 2020 quintillion hashes to 20 exahashes per second. .6 machines called application specific integrated circuits have been built specifically for mining, can generate around 255 trillion hashes per second. In contrast, a computer with in the last hardware hashes around 100 mega hashes per second, 100 million. 7